Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Magical Droplets. Today we have a pick a card reading for receiving guidance for the month of June 2020. Take a deep breath in and select the guidance for the month of June 2020. Dear God, goddesses, archangels, and our guardian angels, please help us to get a card reading and guidance for the month of June 2020. Please select any one of the piles put here, and if you are getting attracted to one or more pile, please feel free to select it. You can pause the video here for a few seconds to receive your guidance. So now let's move ahead with the guidance. So all those of you who have selected pile number 1, let's see your guidance for the month of June 2020. So let's begin. The first two cards that we have got for the month of June 2020 is Five of Wands and the Hermit. So from these cards, the angels are telling you to be careful. Do not let others hamper you or pull you down. Take charge of your life and protect yourself from all the negativity and lower energies around you. Remember, you only can help yourself and no one else can. So, please safeguard yourself and protect yourself. Also, with the Hermit card, the angels are asking you to look inside, look within yourself to find the guidance that you have been looking out for since so long. The answers to your questions are within you. Searching outside won't help you. Introspect, meditate, and go within. The light is with you, so there's no need to search out. The next card we have for June, for pile number 1, is from Archangel Raphael. Breathe. Archangel Raphael is asking you to meditate and use meditation as a technique to release all the stress and old patterns in your life. He is the archangel for healing, and so taking his guidance would really help people who have selected this pile get guidance for their health issues as well. So call upon Archangel Raphael and ask for his help and assistance for your physical health ailments and also your mental health issues. Meditation would be the best technique that you can use to help yourself grow and relax, and also doing mindful breathing would really help. Doing yoga breathing exercises is one of the ways to release old patterns and energies and bring in new energies in your life. The next guidance we have for pile number 1 is goodbye to the old and hello to the new. So you see, both these cards are in sync with one another, and the theme for this group 1 is green. So I am having a guidance that you people would create something greater and better for yourself, and there is some pattern in your life that needs to go out of your life and welcome the newness into your life. Is there, if there has been something that you all have been waiting to release in the past, this is the perfect time to release it. Calling Archangel Raphael will help you. Also, going within is the answer to your solutions. Also, beware, there would be someone among your friends and families you need to be careful from, because you see this person, he is protecting himself from this person though, and this guy, he's pulling him back. So I get a guidance that someone from your near ones is trying to hurt you, and when you go within, do introspection, you will get a guidance as to what it is that needs to be released, what or who it is that needs to be released to help you grow in your life. Also, in the month of June, there will be some pattern or something that will change in your life forever. So let it go with ease, joy, and glory. Don't hold on to things, because holding on to things will only create a pattern that will hurt you and disturb you. So let it go with ease. Express your gratitude for the thing or that situation that had been in your life for so long, or the person who had been in your life for so long, and let it go. And thank the God, guardian angels, and the universe for their presence. And the next card we have is recovery. So what a beautiful guidance for people who have selected pile number 1. This is the perfect time for recovery. Taking this card with this card, going within and finding your roots will really help you build your health. Also, like this person who is recovering, he is taking meditation as a tool to recover. So meditation along with yoga breathing exercises would really help you recover from this situation that you are going through, whatever it is, health, finances, or whatever. Ask the angels for their help and assistance, and go within, because your answer lies within. It is nowhere outside. And once you find that, once that idea or that answer clicks, it will just click you. Just act on it and move ahead in your life. So thank you people for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you resonate with the reading, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. So people who have selected pile number 2, here is your guidance for the month of June 2020. So let's begin. So the first 2 cards we have for this group is Ace of Pentacles, wow, and Knight of Wands. So with this card, the angels are telling you that this is the month of taking care of your finances. Also, this is the month where you need to follow your passion and know where you need to go. Please take care that you move only in the direction that is where your angels are guiding you, or where you follow your passion. Do not run after money. Money will follow your passion, and money will come when you use techniques that makes you happy, and when you do the work that makes you happy. Also, as you see these mountains, know that success is sure for you. So follow your passion, work on something that makes you feel happy, and rest assured the angels are going to bless you with abundance in the month of June 2020. So the next card that we have for you is nurture. Also, along with following your passion, don't forget to nurture yourself and your loved ones. Here we have guidance receiving from Archangel Gabriel, which says, as you nurture a child, you nurture your own inner child. Both activities are important for you right now. So you need to take care of your loved ones along with taking care of yourself. So the world is going right now through a very emotional state, and there's a lockdown in majority countries. Also, the coronavirus thing is happening right now. So please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Don't get hyper upon them. Remember, everyone and everything has been taken care of. There is no need to run behind money, because money is something that will come in your life immediately as you follow your passion. Though right now there won't be time or opportunity to follow your passion, but be assured this month you will have abundance of finances, and there is no way and no need to worry about money in this month. Take care of yourself, not only of your loved ones but also yourself, is what the guidance is here. So call upon Archangel Gabriel, who can help you with taking care of yourself and nurturing yourself as if your parents are taking care of you, and let the universe handle the situation They know what is best for you and they can really guide you well and take you ahead in your life right now. Okay, so the next card for you is summer. So what the angels are telling you is everything that you are asking for becomes yours in the summertime. So people, if you have been receiving this guidance right now, know that the angels have already taken care of majority of the things going on in your life. So this is the season of summer is going on in majority parts of the world right now when we are recording this video and when it will go live. So if you're watching it in the first week of June or around, so know that the angels have taken care of you. But if you're watching this video after 15th of June, remember that the things that you are worried about, or there is something, that major thing that is going on in your life, it will be taken care of next year in the month of summer. So there is no need to worry, just relax and let the angels take care of you. The angel already has this magical dust on her hand and she is blowing it very well and towards you. So rest assured, the angels are taking care of all the things in your life right now. And the next guidance we have for you is get more information. So are you worried about something, or are you into a conclusion about something in your life? Then angels are asking you to get more information about it, because your information is not complete, and incomplete information is wrong information majority of the times. So do your research, talk to your friends and relatives, and use the internet to get more information. However, don't use the internet to get medicinal informations, because internet would not be a best place to receive guidance for your health issues. Consult a doctor or an aged woman or a man, like you can see in this card. So consulting some elderly person in your family for some health issue or for a relationship issue is what I see right now, and they will be happy to help you and guide you. So overall, the guidance for pile number 2 is follow your passion. Money is flowing abundantly in the month of June 2020. Nurture your loved ones and yourself, because you also need to take care of yourself. Until and unless your cup is full, how can things and emotions flow out of it? So don't worry, take care of yourself. The angels are blowing their magical dust on you and taking care of all the things. And get more information about something that is going on in your mind, because you are missing a major part of the information that is available right now but has not come to you yet. So I hope you all relate to the guidance for the month of June 2020. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. So all the people who have selected pile number 3, here is your reading for the month of June 2020. So let's begin with your reading, group number 3. So we have the first two guidance that we have for you for the month of June 2020 is King of Pentacles and the Moon. So with these cards, the angels are telling you not to worry about finances. You see this moon, this face over here, he is so depressed and he's not so happy with the current situation. However, with this card coming up, the angels are not telling you not to worry about finances, because your finances will be taken care of this month. Don't worry about anything. The angels are taking care of finances. They are going to supply you with abundance of material needs that you need right now. So though money might not come in, as in there might not be an inflow of money, but all your needs would be met. So there's no need to worry. In the month of June 2020, all your things would be taken care of. Also remember, this is the time to introspect. So the angels are also asking you, if you are into some business venture or you are having a business, the angels want you to go deep within and search for the guidance that they wish to tell you. There is something that is disturbing in your business. There is something that needs attention right now. So only once you introspect into it, you will get the guidance that the angels wish to tell you. However, finances is not an issue. Remember that all your needs are going to be met in the month of June 2020. So the next card that we have for group number 3 is travel. Okay. And spiritual teacher. Wow. So group number 3, the guidance that we have for you is travel. Next guidance is travel and spiritual teacher, which says that you will be traveling to a new world right now. Though physical travel is not possible, but a spiritual travel or spiritual awakening is possible for you. So along with the moon card, these 3 cards go very well. Go within, find yourself a spiritual teacher, or look out for someone who can help you move ahead out of this whole thing and take you ahead in your spiritual journey. And really, this could be a month where you could be spiritually awakening in your life. There could be a spiritual awakening in your life, and you could reach a new place, a new a new area where you can grow and develop. Also, you can see the lights over here, and I am just getting attracted to it. So I feel this whole journey from the moon to the spiritual teacher to the travel would be an amazing one for all of you who have selected this file. Don't let the fear and the anxiety go within. Search for someone who can help you grow spiritually during this time, because this could be a very wonderful time for you to move ahead in your life and grow. So search for a person with whom search for a spiritual teacher with whom you resonate and who can hear you very well without any judgments or without any conclusions or points of view. Because when you're able to say all the emotions and express your emotions to a teacher or a mentor, you can be assured that you will definitely grow, because you are free with them and I have no restrictions regarding any of your issues. And when you meet such a teacher, please take mentorship and please take training with them, because these teachers will really blow you off your track and will help you and guide you to find the answers that you have been searching around and around for so many years, but are within. Because only answers that are available to a person is within themselves, and we keep on searching round and round for the answers, whereas the answers are with us only. So finding a good spiritual teacher will take you from depressed to a happy state of being, and where you will find your lights and where you will be able to move ahead in your life. So the next card for the month of June is gifts from God. So what a wonderful combination for you all, group number 3. So once you go ahead in your path, you will receive the divine gifts from God that you have. So Archangel Sandalphon, he is the angel who brings you gifts from the Creator, and he is the angel who connects and delivers human wishes to God. He is a messenger of the God, and once you go ahead in your spiritual journey, he'll bless you with spiritual gifts that has been hiding within you, but which you are unable to receive because you are not ready for it yet. So Archangel Sandalphon will give his gifts to you. Also, I see this image as Ace of Cups, wherein wherein a cup of emotion is coming from the universe. So I also see this, that there is a lot of emotions that are getting released and flowing in your life after you follow this path from the moon, the spiritual teacher, to travel. And the emotions that has been in your life for so long, and which you did not know how it got created and what created it, and how are they still stored in your life, all of those emotions will come to the surface and be released. So this would be a spiritual journey for most of the people who have selected pile number 3. So last card for the group is if you believe. So you see the magic is happening right now for every one of you who have selected pile number 3. So only if you believe, you can move from here to a happy state, receive the divine gifts, and be blessed with the life you choose to have in your life. So group number 3, make up your mind or do something, ask your angels for guidance to help you reach to a new level of spirituality, to a new level of inner growth, and be assured that you are only going towards good times. And don't forget, your finances have been taken care of. Don't worry about anything. Even if you consult a spiritual teacher, and even if you are planning to join a course or something, the angels are going to bless you with money. So there's no need to worry about anything. Just be assured that everything is being taken care of by the divine and the angels, and be ready to receive the gifts that the angels are giving you. These gifts are not only emotional, but they are going to take you to a place that will only be guiding light for you. So don't worry, and only if you believe, you will receive the gifts from the angels, and you will be connected to the divine so beautifully, so nicely, that you yourself will be shocked where I was 1 month before and where I am right now. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and come back for more such videos. Thank you, group number 3. So all those who have selected card number 4, pile number 4, here is your guidance for the month of June 2020. So let's begin with your guidance. The first 2 cards we have from the tarot deck are Two of Swords and 9 of Pentacles. So as you see, there's a theme that has been going on for all these cards and piles for the month of June, which says that money is not an issue, dear ones. Know that money has been taken care of for all of you. There's no need to worry about finances. Any one of you, till now all the piles have received wonderful response for their finances. So money is never an issue. You will be leading a comfortable, luxurious life in the month of June 2020. So there's no need to worry. You remember this blindfold, this lady over here, the Two of Swords cards is what we have received here. So from this card, the guidance that I am getting right now for the month of June 2020 for pile number 4 is, you have swords ready, you are ready to fight. Just remove your blindfold. Don't believe that you are trapped over here or in any situation. You just need to believe that you can fight everything and every situation with ease. So remove your blindfold and you will see that there is nothing to fight also. The situation is calm, and it is only you who have created, and you who are worried about the situation right now. But don't worry, the situation is calm, and even if the situation is stormy or it is not something that you like, you have your swords ready to fight. So remove the blindfold, remove the trap that you have set for yourself, remove the jails that you have set for yourself, and get up. See if the situation requires you to fight, or if you can just keep down the swords and enjoy or relax in the situation. So this is the guidance for June 2020 from the Two of Swords card. The guidance from this card is that you'll lead a comfortable, luxurious life in the month of June 2020. There is no need to worry. Finances have been taken care of, and you have abundance of finances with you right now. So why are you worrying, dear ones? You have taken care of your finances and you have saved a lot of money. Is the guidance that I am getting right now. So look into your savings. There is enough for everyone. Not only these, you have these three as well. So not only things that are visible to you, but there are there are savings that you have not taken care, not you are not aware of right now, but it is there, and you have not been thinking about it. Okay, yeah, those are my savings, or those are the money that I can use. So money has been taken care of again for you all in the month of June 2020. So there's no need to worry about your finances, pile number 4, and know that this month is going to be as comfortable and as luxurious as all the previous months of your life, or maybe even better than that. So June is going to be great for you all. Don't worry about anything. Things are taken care of. Don't be in a fighting spirit all the time, because there is nothing that needs your fighting attention. You need to relax right now, is what the guidance I'm getting. So the next card for group number 4 is you have got power. So see, if you combine this card with this card, it says don't worry, you have got power. As you remove the blindfold from your, you have power. You have these swords ready. If there is a fighting situation, if there is something that needs your attention, and if there is something that needs you to claim your power, you have your power. Even the angels are telling you that. So don't worry about anything or any situation. The angels are going to take care of everything, and the power is within you. So the next card and the guidance for the month of June 2020 is teaching and learning. Also, the angels are telling you this time is a good time to learn and teach something. Ask for Archangel Zadkiel's help. They'll help you to open up to new ideas and new possibilities in your life. If you are someone who has been seeking for spiritual guidance or something, go out and find yourself a teacher. A teacher will help you and guide you and take you to the next step in your life. They'll definitely guide you to make important choices and decisions that you have been worrying. If you are someone into teaching, then please don't keep your powers and powers to yourself. Go out and teach people, because there are so many people right now who need your guidance and who need the teachings that is available to you. Remember, there might be courses and things that are similar, but the way a person teaches, that it depends and changes from teacher to teacher, instructor to instructor. So your teachings is something that will benefit a lot of people right now, and also your teachings could help you bring the comfort and the luxuries in your life that you have been wanting since so long. So teaching, if you are into teaching, please move ahead and teach that course or that thing that you have been pushing it back, or you don't know whether you should go ahead or no, because that teaching will bring you comfort and luxuries, and your teachings will also help the people across the globe to get their power back. So they can also find their power with you, and you can also find your power with the help of these teaching. So please go ahead and teach. And people who are not teachers in this pile, please if there is something that you are trying and you wanted to learn since long, please look out for those courses and find a new thing, find that thing so that you can learn it, because this is also a month of learning. And whatever you learn, that would be of immense help in your careers. So rest assured, please don't worry about anything and go ahead and teach and learn. The last card for this pile is success. So you see we have two cards which denote success over here. Nine of Pentacles and the actual card success that we have received from the angels. So I don't know what to say. You are successful, group number 4. Just remove this blindfold and see you have power, you have your learnings and teachings. You have success in your careers and in your life, in each and every aspect of your life. You live a comfortable life, you live a luxurious life, and this month is going to be great for all of you. So stop worrying because of this card or because of whatever things are going on in your life right now, and take your power back, claim it, acknowledge it, and remember that you are successful. So if you like the reading, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and come back for more such videos. Thank you. So the final pile number 5, all those people who have selected this pile, without any further ado, let's start with your reading for the month and guidance for the month of June 2020. So we have the first two cards for you, which says King of Cups and Seven of Wands. So with this card, the angels are telling you that you have put in a lot of efforts in the work that you are doing and you have done in the past. So your efforts are going to give you great results. Someone in authority is taking care of all your needs. Your emotions are fulfilled. Money and prosperity is coming your way. So not exactly prosperity, but your efforts will bring you the results that you desire and you wish. And an authoritative figure, so maybe your boss or a male member of your family, or whatever, the higher authoritative person will take care of all the things. So don't worry about anything, don't discontinue putting your efforts. However, know that results are coming. Whatever work you are doing is being acknowledged by your superior, by your senior, by your bosses, and it is not going for waste, and it has been taken care of. They are noticing all the work that you are doing. So don't feel sad or disheartened that your work is not getting recognized or your efforts are not being appreciated. They are being appreciated and they are being taken care of and looked after by your seniors and your bosses. So money is also flowing for people who have selected pile number 5. So so don't worry too much, and please take care of your emotions right now. Though this might not be a great time for many of you in this month of the year, that is June 2020, but emotions are a thing that is coming up right now. So consult your any male elderly person in your family or in your that can help you. Also an old soul, that is a person maybe of your age or a younger age, but who acts very wisely, or who acts like an old soul, or who gives you advice frequently. Please consult that person. It might be a male or a female, the gender is neutral. Please don't take care of please don't think only a male person will help you, but discussing your issues with an old soul will definitely help you overcome the mental stress that you are going right now, where you feel your work is not getting recognized and you have to work so hard and no one is appreciating it. So people, please don't worry about it. Your bosses and seniors are taking care of, and once you discuss the issue with an elderly person or with an old soul, you'll definitely feel some relief. So the next card we have for you is get some exercise. So with this card, the angels are telling you your body has been resting for so long and it now needs movement in terms of physical movement. So walking, dancing, doing yoga exercises, stretching is something that you can do on your home. Also, there are various home exercises that are easily available on YouTube or any other app with paid subscription that you can use right now. And as you move and flow with your body, the energy, stuck energy, gets released and you are able to achieve more and more in your life. So don't feel stuck, keep yourself moving and move ahead in your life. Exercise will also open wonderful opportunities because all the stuck energies will get released and you will get a guidance as to what you need to do next. Next guidance for group number 5 is Hello from Heaven. So your Archangel Azrael is telling your loved ones from heaven are doing fine. Let go of worries and feel their loving blessings. So with this card, be assured that the angels are taking care of everything. They are here to guide you and support you, and there is nothing that needs worry right now. Pay attention to your health. Pay attention to not just your physical health but your emotional and mental health as well. Discuss issues with your friends and family members, your loved ones. Discuss some issues with your bosses and your superiors and seniors if need be, and get on to some exercise. Also, praying and receiving guidance from angels would be a wonderful thing that you can do right now. Group number 5, the last card for today is Listen to Your Intuition. So you see, all of these cards, I feel group number 5 are telling you that trust the angels, trust that things are going to get better, but you need to listen to your intuition and also receive some help. The angels are here taking care of the things, but even you need to take care of the guidance which the angels are sending you. Remember, intuition is not only your gut feeling but it is a guidance from the angels. So when you have any intuitive messages, do not ignore them ke it is just a telepathy or it is just your awareness. Though it might be your awareness also, but intuition is also messages and guidance from angels. So once you take care of the guidance and listen to the guidance, you will get to know the next step that you need to follow to move ahead in your life. So group number 5, there is nothing that needs worry right now. Don't think that you have been working continuously hard and there's no efforts. So this is a summary what I am telling you, group number 5. Don't think you are working too hard. Your superiors are taking care of you. However, your emotions need a little bit of support right now. So it is advised you talk with someone and get your emotions out. Please remove all the stuck energies and emotions because discussing things will make it light for you. Move your body, get some exercise, work out at your home, or maybe spend some time in nature if that is possible. Know that the angels are taking care of all the things in and around you and about, and also taking care of your parents and loved ones, and follow the guidance that they have been sending you all along. So I hope this helps people. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The angels are always there for your guidance and assistance, and see you next time. Bye.